Welcome to another Microsoft Word video. In this video, we are going to learn how to print a Word document in 3 ways. And these 3 ways can easily help you to print out or have a very good printout of your Word document where you have a printer connected to your computer system. So let's get started. I have a Word document open on my taskbar, and this is the normal view of my Word document, and it contains some important information which are text and images, and I want to have this document printed out on a paper through my connected printer. And we are going to learn in the very 3 ways that can easily help us to do this by using the mouse and the computer keyboard. So the first approach to print the Word document is to click on File, and when you click on File you have this interface, and we are going to select Print. When you click on Print, you get this interface that relates to the print command. We have the preview of our Word document at the right side or the right pane of the print settings configuration. When you move down, we have this display of pages here, and currently we have page 2 displayed in the print preview. You can use this back and forth arrow to navigate through your pages to see or check whether everything is in order as you want before you can have your printout through your connected printer. And this is the preview of my Word document. Now, when you move to the left pane, we have this print options. You can select the number of copies, and when you move down, we have this printer option, and this is where you are going to select the kind or the type of printer connected to your computer. So when you click on the drop down arrow, you have these options, and you choose the type of printer that is connected to your computer system. Then you have a once click on it, and when you move down, we have this settings configuration. You can choose the number of pages that you want to print out, that is to make a custom print. You can also choose to print all pages, and if you want to print a particular page, you can also choose this current page to print your Word document. We have this option that is to print one-sided. You can choose to print on both sides, that is to reload the paper when prompted to print the second side. Depending on the type of printer that you use, you have the collated, that is to print from page 1, 2, 3 onwards. And if you want to print using the uncollated option, that is to print a particular page several times before you move to the next page, you can also use this option. We have the orientation, that is to have the portrait orientation and also the landscape. Currently we are using the portrait orientation. When you skip to the landscape, you are going to have the preview, and you can navigate to see if everything is fitting the page as per your preferences. We also have this option, that is the paper size. We have the letter selected. You can choose any of these options in the list. And when you move to narrow margins, when you click on the drop down arrow, we have this normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, and also Office 2003 default. You can choose any of this margin to match your preferences according to your printout. And when you move to last option, that is the page sheet, when you click on the drop down arrow, you can select 1 page per sheet or 2 pages per sheet depending on how you want to have the printout. You can choose any of these options from this list, and when you are done, you can select the print command. The second method to have your printed document is to use a keyboard shortcut, and that is Ctrl plus F2 on the keyboard, and this will also jump you to the print settings interface, and We have the print command selected. You can also navigate through by choosing the number of copies, the type of printer, the settings configuration you want to apply to your Word document printout. Then you click on print. The last option is to use Ctrl+P on the keyboard, and this also performs the same function, that is to jump you to the print configuration interface. Then you navigate through your setup by choosing the type of printer, the number of copies, and any option that you want to use based on your preferences to print out your Word document. These are the three ways I want to share with you to have your Word document printed out through your connected printer, and you can choose any of these options that you prefer. That creates a convenient environment for you to work with your printout of your Word document. Hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like, share your comment, and please consider to subscribe, and we shall meet in the next video.